Hey guys, it's me, Anthony, and
Trevor.
we're back with Ramblings. Today, we're going to be showing you guys how to make a movie theater out of a box. Should we just get right into it?
Yeah.
Let's do it. All right, so this is the finished product after you've cut everything and made all your measurements. But we're going to show you guys actually how to cut everything. All right, so first, you need to grab a box. So in this one, we have an example right here. But you don't need this exact box. You can have any
This is just
shape
an example.
box. Yeah. As long as you have one that you can fit your head in, then you're good. But what you want to do is first, you want to cut all these little flaps off of the box. We're not going to show you, but you should know how to do that. So next, once you've cut all the flaps off, you want to flip it over to this part, the shorter square part, and you want to cut this entire part out so that you can fit your head right here. Then once you've done that, you take the top of the box and you take a phone. Can I see your phone, Trevor? Thank you much. So you take a phone. It can really be any phone. But what you're going to do is you're going to put it right at the beginning of the box, right here. And then you're going to take a pencil and you're going to trace around your phone. And then you're going to take the scissors. And then you're going to cut out the outline, but you're going to leave just a little bit of space.
So that you could have so then you could hold the phone.
Yeah, so that the phone stays in place. All right, so this is what the finished product looks like. As you can see, we've cut off all the tabs. We've taken out the front right here. And we've cut out the phone part so that you can put your phone on it. So what you now do is, Trevor, can you see your phone? So now you're going to take a phone. You put it right on top of the template. And then you stick your head under it. This. You guys need and then you can see what the phone is playing. All right, we're going to give you guys a look. And as you can see, the phone is right there. And you stick your head under it, you can see what it's playing. You have complete privacy, kind of like a movie theater. And it's dark, kind of like a movie theater. All right, and I think that concludes the video. Well, me and Trevor hope that you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like, as always.
Hit that
And
little bell.
And subscribe if you're new, so that you get all the new fresh videos from Ramblings. We'll see you guys later.